Hi guys, so we'll begin by taking a mixing bowl. I'm adding in some all-purpose flour, few chili flakes. You'll get ready-made from the store itself. Dry parsley leaves, you can add fresh parsley leaf as well, and pizza mix, some sugar, salt, and black pepper powder. I'll combine all of the dry ingredients well together. I'm adding in some garlic paste and milk and melted butter. You can substitute with oil as well or even ghee. Now get all the dough together. If you feel the dough is too dry, you can add in a bit of milk. So add milk gradually till you get a dough kind of consistency. There's no particular measurement for that. You need to press and knead it like this. Get rough with the dough. Just keep on, kneading it very well until it becomes soft. About 5 minutes. So you can see that the dough is soft when you do it like this. Now tuck the dough into a cap-like structure there and seal it at the base like this. Place the dough in the vessel, pour in some oil and just coat the oil evenly on the dough. Okay, cover this and we'll rest it for about 15 minutes. Now I've taken in a little bit of butter. To that I'm adding in garlic paste, black pepper powder, dry parsley leaf, again substitute with fresh coriander leaves, chili flakes. You can add in red chili powder as well. Pizza mix, it's really good, just invest it from the store. Sugar and salt. Combine all of this well together and we'll keep this aside. Instead of butter, you can just add oil or ghee. Now you have taken the dough and we'll roll it into 1/2 inch thick. Okay. Not necessary to add any oil or any flour to knead the dough because it is smooth and non-sticky. So make sure to evenly flatten it at all the sides. Okay, you can fold this, put the paste and cut it and bake it into the normal fashion, or you can just cut it with a knife like this. I prefer to do this. You can get 2 garlic breads. I'll show you for one of the half. Okay, now after you cut it like this, just spread in the mixture on top of this. Be lenient or less according to your taste preference. Okay, after doing this, just take a fork and make small indents at the edges like this, just a small design, and mark the standard cuttings like this on the garlic bread. Now you are going to pop this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 25 minutes. And after it is baked, see how wonderful it is. It smells wonderful. So remove it from the baking oven and just brush in a little bit of butter on top of this so that the taste enhances more. Just cut out the slices and go and enjoy this. That spreading of butter is optional, it's up to you. So go enjoy this garlic bread and like, share, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Until then, take care, guys. Bye bye. And let me know if you want such healthy recipes to substitute which are equally tasty as store bought ones. Bye bye.